problems that have kind of stymied getting this all into the DoD. First of all, these all rely on huge troves of data. We have that at the DoD. In fact, they have far more data than they can handle. But the problem is it's frequently siloed and segmented, necessarily so. So, this group can't see that data and this group can't see that data because this data is highly sensitive, and we really have to be careful what it is that we want to put together. There's a growing recognition everywhere, including in the government, that data is a liability. If I have data, that means the bad guys can get that data. So the only way to not let them get it is to not have it.
Yeah, but really the flip side is the most true, right? Data is not a liability. Data is the lifeblood of modern corporations, modern capability. And actually cultivating and curating that data properly is a new, just immense discipline that we need to get better at.
It's simultaneously the fuel of all this magic, and it's the source of so many problems. And figuring out how to properly manage that is a risk balance that a lot of areas, including the government, is still trying to figure out. In particular, if I have a certain amount of data, what's now being recognized, the government has always known, I like those example, I think of one of the Tom Clancy novels, that some analyst figured out that there was an attack happening because he saw that there was an upsurge in the amount of pizza ordered.
Sure, yeah. What do they call it, the dominoes effect or something? Yeah.
Exactly. So that's a very well-known example. But when you have a lot of data, there's a lot of small clues, and the metadata leakage becomes very big. You were talking before about downloading the language pack to figure that out. Well, all of a sudden, if you're using Google's algorithm, Google knows that you just downloaded the language pack.
Right, and they know where I am.
If you're on the cloud and you're not using it on your computer, they may actually know what you're interpreting. So there's a lot of risks, and the government is still trying to figure out how to get past this. A lot of what we were saying about the fog and the edge, that's starting to solve that, and it's finally starting to make its way into DoD systems.